In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Cloudflare error continuously loading. If your site or a page sits on a Cloudflare loading screen and never finishes, the problem can be either on Cloudflare's side or something cached on your side. We'll start with the fastest check, then clear any bad local data, and finish by refreshing Cloudflare's cache for your domain so everything pulls fresh. Begin by checking Cloudflare's status. Open the Cloudflare status page and look for any ongoing incidents or regional outages that match when you're seeing issues. If there's an active incident, it's best to wait for Cloudflare to resolve it and then retest. If everything appears operational, move on to local fixes. Next, clear your browser's stored data so you're not stuck with a corrupted session. In your browser, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and choose the option to delete or clear browsing data. When the dialog opens, expand the options if needed and set the time range to all time. This ensures you remove any stale cache that could be forcing the loop. Confirm by selecting Delete Data. Be aware this may sign you out of some sites, but it often clears the endless loading in one go. After this, fully close and reopen your browser to make sure the changes take effect. Now, refresh Cloudflare's copy of your site. Sign into your Cloudflare dashboard, go to the domain area, and choose the domain that's affected by the continuous loading error. From the left menu, open caching, then go to the configuration section. Find Purge Everything and click it. When prompted, confirm by clicking Purge Everything again. This forces Cloudflare to discard its cached content and fetch a clean version from your origin server, which is especially helpful if a bad resource or an outdated redirect was stuck at the edge. Give it a moment for the purge to propagate, then reload your site. For a clean test, use a private or incognito window or do a hard refresh so you bypass any leftover local cache. If the page now loads, the issue was cache data either in your browser or at the edge. A couple of closing tips. If you use any performance or security plugins at your origin, clear their caches as well so Cloudflare pulls fresh content. Also, avoid running multiple purges back to back. One complete purge is usually enough. If problems persist even after a clean purge and cache clear, check your origin server's error logs for timeouts or blocked requests. That's it. Simple checks, a clean local slate, and a full cache purge to break the loop.